Hello friends, this is Shukriya, and in my channel I am going to discuss various topics on mainframe. First of all, what is mainframe? Mainframes are big computers which are used to process huge amount of data very quickly in fraction of seconds. The operating system which we are going to use is ZOS, and we use emulator softwares like Mocha TN3270 or Vista TN3270 to connect to mainframes via an user ID and password. To interact with Z-Way's operating system, we use a system called TSO, Time Sharing Option, and it's basically a command prompt interface. Most users work with TSO through its menu-driven interface called ISPF. The full form of ISPF is Interactive System Productivity Facility. This is how an ISPF panel looks like. Here you can see there are different options, and each option gives a user to perform certain actions or certain activities. Like if the user wants to go to DB2, he can type the option D2 here, which stands for DB2I, and the system will take the user to DB2 system. Now, in mainframe, actually, all the files are called a dataset. That is the terminology we use for all the files in mainframe. There are two broad categories of dataset. One is called PS and another is called PDS. PS stands for physical sequential files. They are just like flat files. We can compare any PS file with our Word files or Excel file or notepads in Windows operating system. And another categories of files is PDS. The full form is partition dataset. PDS can be compared with the folders in Windows operating system. Just like a Windows folder can contain multiple flat files, similarly, here in mainframe, a PDS can contain multiple PS files. I'll discuss about PS and PDS file in more detail in my next video. And the programming languages which normally we use in mainframe is like COBOL, PL1, assembler, Rex, etc. The database we use is DB2, IMS, IDMS, Natural Database, etc. And for online part of the mainframe, we use a technology called CICS. The full form is Customer Information Control System. So we'll learn about all the topics gradually one by one. In my next video, I'm going to discuss about the details about the different types of files in mainframe, the PS and PDS file. Till that time, bye everybody.